Good morning, Alves. It's about 6 AM and I just wanted to show you this. Look, Mr. Tiggs, I take D'Arcy up the stairs and Mr. Tiggs, in her absence, is claiming his basket. Her basket, should I say. Look, and D'Arcy just went into it. Look, and he's not budging. The size of the basket. Now he's got, well, there's wee Malike. Good morning, son. As you can see, look, he's got a radiator bed. He's got a basket there, but he's now claiming D'Arcy's. And actually, don't laugh, but I usually put this in here so that this wee fella doesn't go into it, because sometimes he goes into it at night and rakes it all up. Don't you, Malike? And he's got his own basket. So his basket was... What? So there's big D'Arcy. So this is his latest. He's just started doing this. He's never kind of done that before. Mr. Tiggs. Mr. Tiggs. You've got your own basket, look. You've got that, you've got a radiator bed. But you have to claim the dog's baskets. And it's about 10 times the size of you. So there he is. This is what he does in the morning. Wee Malike. He goes up here for a belly rub. Oh, there he is. Oh, the old fella. I know. Right, so that's the pet antics. I just thought, oh, sorry about that. I just thought I would grab that opportunity to show you what he does. King Farouk here. Mr. Tiggs. Look, he knows you're talking to. So all is quiet. I'll show you what it's like outside. Not too bad. It was actually raining earlier on. Right. And he'll follow him into the kitchen now to be fed. Hi, wee Malike. He's funny. He sometimes comes in and he's still got that cover all over him and he walks about with it. Right, so what I do now is I go in here and I feed the birds. I haven't even fed them yet. Oh, the blackbird's usually waiting, he's not there. Let's see if he's out. You hear them all? They are, for quite a pleasant morning. Not too bad. There's a wee blue tit, or a great tit, should I say. Oh, he disappeared. Right, so that's it for this morning. I wonder they're not all running in. Oh, they're very quiet. Malike, what are you up to? What are you up to, wee Malike? Oh, we know. It's a rescued dog's life up here, isn't it? Mm. Oh dear, look at this. And look at big D'Arcy. Was that a wee hint of a tail wag there, D'Arcy? Look at big D'Arcy. Oh, she loves her bed. She loves her basket. So she does. And her upstairs bed because she can get stretched out. She's got another one upstairs. I'll video of that of a day. Right, so there we are. I'm just going to get them fed and watered now. Right, we'll catch you again next week. Cheerio.